So here's the VFO MHz scale on the Central Electronics 100V transmitter. I've been cleaning up this macro scale or megahertz scale. Oh, you gotta be careful with this thing. I was using soap and water in here and that wasn't working out too well. So I upgraded to Windex and so far so good. You really can't rub very hard though. You'll damage this thing. I used my fingernail to scratch off some stuff that was sitting there. Look what happened. See those little dots there I put into the thing? So I could probably fix it with nail polish if I had the right color, but you got to really be careful when you are searching for perfectionism and newness. Just realize this thing is what, 1960? It's now 2023. That's 60. That's 40 years, 60 years, 63 years old. This thing may not come out perfect, so take it easy. So I think this is as good as I'm gonna get it. You can see I got two little dots there too, where I probably rubbed too hard. So I think I'm done cleaning the cylinder here. Just gonna leave it the way it is now. It's clean enough, so that's that. I also put some LED bulbs in here, 6 volters. I use these bulbs in Drakes. So there's a Drake sitting there and it's on its back because it's been a bad Drake. But this thing has valid B+, it has valid 6-volt power. I think I'm gonna fire that power supply up and I'm gonna try and inject voltage into this VFO to see if I can get it to calibrate. So my goal is then to put this VFO back in the radio as a calibrated unit. So I think I'm gonna use the cubic SDR and the RTL SDR as a frequency standard and see if I can get this thing. This VFO runs from 5 to 6 megahertz. So see if I can get it to work reasonably. And then it's ready to drop back in the radio, I guess. It'll be fully tested and see how that works. So I gotta get the gears lubricated here with some engine oil and put these gears back together and then try and calibrate this thing and see if that would work. So that's what's going on here. I can get signal out of here. I just got to figure out what to put in this thing. But that's really skanky looking, isn't it? This thing is got a chip out of it. Look at that. A chip out of it? No. That looks like it's by design. I'm not sure why. Why would that have a little hole in it like that? Unless it was war surplus or something. Odd little thing, huh? Yeah, I'm happy with how this turned out with the mechanism. It's solid. There's no slop in it, so I don't think this thing will have slop tuning. I guess we'll see. That knob turns like it should. Somewhat, maybe not perfectly, but I can tighten this up to get it a little more stiff, make it turn better. So that's that. I'm going to try next to calibrate this thing and get the string unit back in by putting the gears back in. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.